Have you ever wondered how they do the very large butterfly Aso-Oke design? I'm going to show you today. So you're going to be cutting your Aso-Oke into 20 inches, as in the length. You know it's 6 inches already, and I'm going to be cutting 3 pieces of this, as in 1, 2, 3. Keep watching and learning. Once you're done with that, you're going to be joining the 3 pieces together to make one whole piece. So finally, you would have 20 inches by 24. So what you're going to do is you're going to have 2 pieces of 20 by 24 inches like this, and you're going to place them together, making the sewed part to show to them lie on each other, and you sew them all the way around. So you're having one big large piece like that, with the front, the part that is not sewn being sewn. Then you're going to follow this process that I made to make the small butterfly. So we're done with that. The next thing we're going to do is to get the material that we used to make our butterfly. I showed you how to do that. So what we're going to do now is to just pleat it from the diagonal. That's the corner that you saw me holding. So I'm going to pleat it all the way down. Remember I said that we have 2 pieces of this. Remember the butterfly was cut 20 inches by 12 inches. I hope you remember that. Okay, so now I'm going to pleat it like so. Then I'll take my needle and thread and sew it. Remember, I'm doing excuse me, 2 of them like this. Keep watching and learning. So I have done the second one like so, and I'm going to be joining them like so, just in the same location. Can you see how I'm placing it? I was just trying to see how it would be if I do it like this now. Okay, you just join it side by side like this. That other one is not now, at least it will give you a different design anyway. But alright, so what I'm doing now is I'm taking the thread that remained from the one that I've pleated, and I'm going to use it to pass through the other one and join it like so. So that's how you make your butterfly. In value from this video, please do give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please click that subscribe button. You won't regret it, and also the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. And check out this next video.